Well, my YouTube channel. What's up, guys? My name is Lana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's your name? Jackson. And we have Charles.
Hello.
Charlie. And we are listening to a vlog right now. It's a vlog from Halloween, Disney World, from the not so scary Mickey Mouse's not so scary Halloween party, because we're going in October and it's gonna be so much fun. Anyways, right now we're headed to Zilker Park. It's another day where we're doing Austin things. So we're gonna go to Zilker by Lady Bird Lake, and then I wanted to get smoothies after, but we'll see, because sometimes Charlie, he might be like, I don't want anything healthy. Charlie, he might want something that's a little bit naughty, like you.
No.
You are a naughty boy.
No, you are a naughty girl. You are naughty.
And we scored something big when we went to the gas station. We found Girl Scout cookies. Yeah, we got 9 boxes, 8 different kinds. 2 of the Godsend ones. What are they? What are they? Caramel Delights, but they're called Samoas, right?
Well, they used to be. Now they're called.
Oh, lame. They changed the name. We don't agree with that. Yeah. So Zilker with the fam.
I'm gonna go get something good to eat.
Yeah. What if I want a smoothie?
I'm down 11.
Turn your car! Oh my god. What?
Are you at the park yet?
We're almost there.
We're down 11 pounds. I can splurge.
I know, I'm so proud of him. He's been in the gym 3 weeks and he's lost 11 pounds. He's doing good.
Feels good.
He's doing so good. I wish I could be in the gym with you so bad. Like, I actually get sad whenever you tell me you're going. I'm happy for you, but I'm sad because of my anxiety stuff not letting me go right now. And it's not that I'm scared to go to the gym. It's when I'm working out, my body just gets shaky. And it's something that my brain is recognizing that I haven't been able to turn off. Because I'm not scared when I'm there. It's just when my body starts shaking, I'm so uncomfortable. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're all matching too. We look so cute. We got the green bottoms. We got the black tops. He's got my top on. And Jack's too. So here we go. We'll see you guys. Sorry for the overexposure. We'll see you guys at Zilker.
Run.
Yeah.
Run. Watch out! Oh, silly.
Those big dogs.
Big doggies.
Jackson.
Where the heck? Ah! That's crazy. Okay. We hood. No, not really. No. We go in on a walk to see the turtles at Lady Bird Lake. Just nailed Jackson with the Nerf football a million times. This is the best football ever. If you have kids, if you don't have kids, your grandparents, you need a gift for somebody, just get it because it's so much fun.
I'm a sniper with it.
It's fun.
Turn the camera around.
I don't even know if I just got him because I can't see, but We just left Zilker. We just walked to the bridge that goes over Lady Bird Lake. You can walk all the way from Zilker into downtown, go to literally anywhere. Then once you get across the bridge and get to downtown, they have a bunch of electric scooters that you can use by app. There's like probably, I think there's Uber. I'm not sure if Uber has one. Hold on, Jax. Uber, Bird or Birdie, Lime. There's like a bunch of different brands of electric scooters that you download their app and then you can just pay to ride it. And yeah, a lot of people get around town that way, or the electric bikes, or just walk. So it's kind of neat that you can go from over there at the park to downtown. If you live downtown, you work, it's just a little bit convenient. Now we're headed to Whole Foods downtown, which is it's not 2 stories, so the first story is the garage and then the second story is the grocery level. Well, I feel like it does have a 3rd story, but it's like a roof that you can go up and eat on, right? Yeah, and they have the ice skating rink downtown. So we're gonna go to that Whole Foods. It's like a flagship Whole Foods, so it's giant. There's lots of options. There's like a pizza bar, sandwich bar, barbecue, healthy, sushi, like there's a juice place. There's so many different things inside of this Whole Foods to eat at. So we're gonna go there. So it's a happy compromise, since I want something healthy, he wants something naughty, and they have both there, because that is a common misconception about Whole Foods, is people think it's so healthy, but really they make a lot of their stuff with oil because it tastes good. They're just making vegetables with all this oil. So it's not about what you eat, it's about how much you eat if you're trying to be healthy. Okay, moderation, my friends. Here we go. Let's go eat some food. Got some desserts. What is that, Jax?
Mochi.
Chocolate mochi. It's yummy. What else did we get? We got pecan praline. It's big. And then we got these like treats in here.
Or the brownie.
Yeah, it's like a cookie. This is like a chocolate covered cookie. And then there's a brownie in here. It's like Valentine's themed with sprinkles. And we got this for my dad to try, the root beer with probiotics. Tastes pretty good. It's only 25 calories. How's it going? Is it good?
I want to finish this right.
Alright, my friends, we made it home, and look at this. We got all of these freaking cookies. They're $5 a box. We got 9. You do the math, right? 3, 6, 9. Yeah. Alright, so we got the Adventurefuls. That looks amazing. Brownie with caramel flavored. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. We got the ones I was telling you about earlier, the Caramel Delights. Used to be called Samoas, and for whatever reason they changed. And we got, of course, Thin Mints. I feel like a lot of people love that one. More Samoas for these lemonades. Awesome. And then Toasties, right? Toasty. Yay! Oh my god, French toast. Love that. What's this one? Trefoils, just, you know, blah. Okay. Not our favorite. This is a favorite. Peanut butter patties. Yum. And this one. Peanut butter sandwich. One of my freaking faves. And that's the cookie haul. And it's also the end of the vlog. I'm here with my stormtrooper. Still holding strong since the party on the 7th. And it's the 21st right now. So doing pretty good 2 weeks later. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below. Subscribe to the channel. We're about to go watch a movie called Plane. It's rated R, so Jackson is not allowed. So I'll go, and I hear it's really, really, really good, so I'm excited about that. Anywho, have a great night, you guys. Love you guys. Subscribe.